Hello guys, just a quick video regarding my results this month. Thank you for being here. My name is Mark, the Italian trader. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate that. If you haven't done so already, click the subscribe button, click the like button, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Today I want just to talk a little bit about my results the past month regarding trading, my trading activity. As you may know, if you have already followed me for a while, I have multiple businesses. One of them is trading online, trading the currency market online. So it's my favorite business actually, because it allows me to be wherever I want in the world and trade wherever I want in the world. So I just want to tell you a fun fact. I was in Italy 2 weeks ago. I was trading from the actual beach on the seaside, and I was making $2,800 in just one day, and I was so I was amazed because it's a lot of money, and I was on the in front of the sea, and I was just looking at the screen, and I was looking this my account growing. Okay, so I was very excited. The thing is, a lot of people, they think to be involved in Forex, it's very hard. You need a lot of capital. You need a lot of... The only thing that you really need is the willingness of, putting the effort and just, try to actually, be the best version of yourself. If you want to gamble your money, don't do this thing. If you want to actually, create a business and create something, long-lasting, for the future, maybe this could be a good one for you. And I just wanted to say actually that I am doing for a very small period of time, a very limited time only, some kind of mentorship for free, totally for free, so you don't risk anything. And sorry, my dog is here and he wants to say hi. And so I am going to teach all of you, if you really want to learn how to trade the market, and I'm going to show you my systems and the things that I do in order to make money online. Just drop me a message, get in touch with me, send me a message on Facebook. In the description you'll find the link. Okay, so this month, in August, I made 10% return on my account, which is my record. I'm honest here. If you do like 25% a month, good for you, man. Literally good for you. But I usually do 2, 3, 4, 5% a month. This month was 10%, and I was amazed because it was a choppy month. So it was like, if it was like a trendy month, I could have been doing 16% or even 17% or 20%. I don't know. So I was very happy about that. Anyway, the thing here is, if you really want to do, something, you need to put the effort. You don't need to think about the problems that you may encounter, but you need to think about the solution. And I'm going to give you one solution today. So if you don't have a lot of capital to start, you can start with a little amount of capital in order to develop your skills. So once you have developed your skills, you can get funded from an external company. This external company can give you some money to trade, and you'll split 50-50. This is the way I started, because I didn't have any money to invest. So I started in this way as well. So why can't you? You can, and if you don't know where to start, just drop me a message. I'm gonna help you for free. Guys, this was, just a quick, video, because I didn't upload it, last week. I just wanted to upload something and just to, tell you a little bit about my situation. So 10% in August. Now in September, I want to do the same, and let's do it together. If you want to get in touch, just drop me a message on Facebook, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, bye, guys, bye.